Welcome back to Magnificalcorecraft YouTube channel. We are continuing our series of macrame knots. The one we are doing this afternoon is a very colorful one too. We are going to hold our lead cord this way. You are going to hold it in a slanting form. You can see the way I've done it. You are going to hold it in a slanting form. Then you pick the very next one. You wrap it around. One, you pick the next one. The next one. The next one. You can see when you finish, you come back to this place again. You pick this as your lead cord, you roll this over twice. Pick the next one. You join with this. You come back here again. You start with this. Close it with this again. You come up again, you pick the purple, roll this over. You do the same. You do the same here. You do the same here. And we close it with this again. You can see that our pattern is forming. We started with the yellow. You can see the purple, the white like that is going. Then we continue again. You can use this to make a bag. You can use it for a phone pouch. You can use it to make school bag or lunch box for children. You can use it for a table mat or a placemat. You can use it for wall hanging. It's a very beautiful, unique design. This is how we continue. Once you finish, you pick the next one again. You continue. As you can see, our pattern has already taken shape. You can see that all the various colors are represented here. So this, you can use it for so many things, as I've said. We can use it for a bracelet. You can see the one I'm wearing. This is the pattern that we have used for bracelets here. So you can see it. Thank you so much for watching. We believe you enjoyed the tutorial. See you in our next video.